Nikki from Nikki Lilly. So today I'm going to be doing another cover for you guys, and as you can tell from the title, I'm going to be covering Pompeii by Bastille. I absolutely love the band Bastille, and Pompeii is one of my favourite songs by them, and so I thought I'd give it a go to cover. I don't play the ukulele professionally or anything like that, so some chords may sound wrong, but yeah, let's get into it. And if you see me looking down, it is because the lyrics are here and I don't want to mess up anything, so. Show, and the walls kept tumbling down in the city that we love. Grey clouds roll over the hills, bringing darkness from above. But if you close your eyes, does it almost feel like nothing changed at all? And if you close your eyes, but if you close your eyes, does it almost feel like nothing's changed at all? And if you close your eyes, does it almost feel like you've been here before? How am I gonna be an optimist about this? How am I gonna be an optimist about this? Hey, hey, yo, hey, yo, hey, hey, yo. So that's it for this video, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give this video a thumbs up. It would mean a lot. And subscribe down below if you haven't already and you would like to see more videos and covers from me in the future. I would love to have you join the family. And also comment down below what other songs or artists you would like me to look into and cover, and I can definitely do some of them in the future. But yeah, I love you guys so much. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you very soon. Bye everyone.